4 ways to report and jump in under 4 minutes. Number 1 is saving scripts. In any report or analysis that you save and jump, like I've got here, there's a button at the top, just here, that allows you to save that report as a script to the data table. So this stores the report as a single button on the table, which you can click to bring up your analyses time and time again. So I can take graphs or distributions or models or any work that I'm doing, save them as a script, and bring them back from the data table at any time. A nice tip when reporting with scripts is to label them in the order of the steps you've taken, and then others can follow along step by step with the progress that you've done in your work. Number 2 is journals. So these are a great way to create a story or a descriptive document of your work and projects. So again, I've got an analysis and jump here, and I'm just going to press Ctrl and J and send these off to a new journal. And let's have an additional report here that I can also send over with Ctrl J. When I go to my new journal, those reports are now together, and the beauty of journals means I can go and customize these. I can go and add text boxes, pictures, and other tools to tell my story. As a tip, you can save your data table scripts by pressing Copy Table Script, and then put it into a button box on the journal, which means you can click it and then have your data table appear every time you need. With a bit of effort, you can get some really nice looking custom reports that can be used for documentation and reporting. One note is that journals are static, so all of the analyses don't have the interactivity that other formats have within Jump. Number 3 is projects. Projects allow an all-in-one location to analyze and store your data. So in this example, I have a data table where I'm performing my analyses, and every analysis I do brings up a new tab with every step. What's really great is that you can also store non-jump files, so PDFs, Excel sheets, images, and they will be carried along with the project file that you can then go off and send to other people. You can also use projects to show those PDFs and those images and other commentary you may have on your work. The advantages of projects is you can store all of your data in that one file, which other people can then get access to when they open your project. Number 4 is Jump Live. So this allows you to send up your analyses to a web-based platform where the data and the report is stored and can be viewed and interacted with by anyone within your organization through their web browser. So in this case, I can send up a distribution report to Jump Live, and then anyone can come in and access it, look at the data, and also interact with the results. You can also add comments and tag people into your reports in Jump Live so that you can start a conversation around your data and have a log of all the actions and decisions that you've made along the way. If you need to monitor alarms or deviations in the processes, Jump Live can also take your reports and alert you when a deviation occurs, so that you can start the investigation process quickly. Jump Live is great for storing reports, and you can have set areas for different departments and different projects that you can access at any time. So you can organize and archive your analyses and then come back to them whenever you need with just a single click. So those are 4 ways to report with Jump. Let me know which one is your favorite and leave a comment if you want to learn more.